Girls, it's your girl Tanel of Kinky to the Core, and thanks for joining me today. And if you've seen the thumbnail and you read the description, it's all about this rose gold pink hair. Yes, girl. Yes, honey. I am all about the color this year, and I decided to try out this pink hair because I'm into the rose gold so much, and that's what it reminds me. When I seen it at my local beauty supply store, I had to grab it and make a wig because I'm back on to making my wigs, you guys. So this is the unit that I created using the hair, and I picked this up at my local beauty supply. It's Model Poise, their Human Master Mix. This is perfect water deep, and it comes in 5 pieces, and the color is pink gold, OTPinkGold, which is a ombre color. Has the dark roots, as you can see, and it goes into this like gold pink color. Oh my god, I love it, you guys. What do you guys think? It is so and I used pretty much all 5 pieces. It came with 4 bundles and a circle closure, which I used at the top, so I didn't have to create my own circle piece, which was great. And I did the hot glue method, which made my life easier. To make this unit was an hour and like 10 or an hour and 20 minutes. Between an hour 10 and an hour 20. This is all that I have left out of the pack, and this is what the curls look like before I finger combed them. So yeah, that's it. So it's all with the chit chats. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to become part of the Kinky Girl team, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so you can be alerted anytime I upload a video. Make sure you stay in tune with your girl. Follow me on all my socials at Kinky to the Core. Thumbs up this video if you like. What color should I do next, girl? Should I do a blonde? Should I do a blue? Should I do red? Should I do copper? Let me know down below in the description box what color shall I try next. If you have any questions about this hair, how I constructed this unit, please do so by leaving the description box down. Please leave your comments down below. All of the products that I use will be in the description box. And enough with all of the chit chat. So first thing first, I purchased this dome cap to create a wig. This is my first time using this. It is the Donna Match Dome Wig Cap, and you guys, it's quite tight. I normally get a men's dome cap, which because it gives me much stretch than the women's, and I won't have. I really don't consider myself to have a big head. For some reason, it's tight, but it will probably loosen up after a while. But it feels great. It's not going anywhere. So all in all, it's a breathable fabric, so I really like this. So these are all the products and tools that I use to create this wig. Really simple, you guys. I did the hot glue method because I'm not about that sewing life. It's easier. It's faster, it's easier, and to me, my wigs last just as long as when I hand sew it. So I placed the dome cap on a mannequin head and one stand, and underneath the dome cap is another cap and a plastic cap, so the hot glue will not stick to the dome cap that will be on my head. So without me knowing or not paying attention, I realized that they had a closure piece. So I went ahead and I installed that first, so I can give me an indication how close I need to be when making constructing the circle wig, the circle part of the wig. So I started off in the back, and I'm just doing a part from ear to ear, going all the way to the back. And without me paying attention, once again, the cap is broken into quadrants. It's the stitching down the middle and down the sides, and that's where I should have did the back, but I went kind of up in the front a little too much. But you will see that I should have just stopped at where the seams were and then continue on with the front, because in my mind I was thinking of doing a whole circle, and I realized that I already had the closure at the top. So after I figured that out, I just stopped and just did all the way back first, and then moved to the front and installed that, and it was really, really easy, you guys. And then once the unit was complete, I removed all of the excess, which is really simple. You're going to take a wide tooth comb to comb it out, or you can just go through with your hands and your fingers and just pull them out, and then pull them out once they get closer to the end. Really simple, really easy to do, and voila, that's done. So after that, I put the wig on just to see how I like it, and I fluffed it out with my hands, and surprisingly, I didn't have to cut anything. Like, the shape came out perfect how I wanted it to come out. I did trim just a little bit off the end, and on the sides it was perfect, so I didn't have to touch that. And you guys, that is it. That was all that needed to be done. This hair is quite affordable. The whole pack, I think, costs like $22, $20, between $20 and $22. I'll make sure I'll link where you can get this hair. Once again, this is by Model Bottle. This is their Poise and their Perfect Water Deep Curl. So, yes, that's it, you guys. I'll get you a couple of slow-mos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in and rocking with your girl. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share if you like. Don't forget to comment down below which hair color should I do next. Are you guys feeling this color? Because I like it. I think it looks beautiful on my skin tone. Like, I really, really like this. And because it has the dark roots, it goes perfectly. Like, I really like this. Like, live your life, have fun, you know, do different things. That's what this hair is made for to change up when you want to switch it up on them. You know what I'm saying? Keep them guessing, like they never know what's coming next. So until next time, you guys already know. Thank you for watching. I love you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.